Hi guys, this is your friend and guide Abha Mystic 1111. This video today is going to be for collectives whosoever is single and wants to get married or wants to have a stable relationship for them. I'm going to do the reading for them. So basically, this reading is for the people who are single in their life or who had a recent breakup and they want a new partner, more committed, sensible, uh, a relationship which will be stable, which will be good in terms of stability, commitment. So, if you're waiting for a committed relationship, being a single, this video is for you. Somebody asked on my channel ki I we don't want to wait for anybody who has not given us the love and worth which we deserve. So being single, we want a reading for us that when we are going to have a new person in our life and how this person would be and what would be the future. So this video is for all boys and girls, all women and men who are single and are waiting for a better relationship, a new relationship, a committed relationship, something stable. So, we are going to ask the angel spirit guides that how and when this person will enter your life and what will be the energies. तो हो सकता है ये आप सबसे रेजोनेट करे, हो सकता है ये कुछ से रेजोनेट करे, कुछ से ना करे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू दी हिंट्स कि ये किन से रेजोनेट करेगा. बट ये वीडियो डेफिनेटली सिंगल्स के लिए है, मैरिड कपल्स के लिए नहीं है, लिव इन पार्टनर्स के लिए नहीं है. ये उनके लिए है जो सिंगल हैं एंड दे वांट अ स्टेबल रिलेशनशिप कमिंग देयर वे. Okay, so angel spirit guides, please answer my collectives who are single and who are watching this video now. आप जब भी इस वीडियो को देखेंगे ये आपसे रेजोनेट करेगा, so that's not a problem. Whenever this video will pop up for you on your mobile phones, you can resonate with this video. And we are going to see that when this loving relationship is entering your life. So what is coming for my collectives who are single and are waiting to be mingled? Angel spirit guides, please answer my collectives who are single and waiting for a good relationship to enter in their life. What is coming for them? Okay, I've got the cards, guys. जो लोग सिंगल हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा सैड एनर्जी में है. मे बी this is the card of waiting. Okay, so when you are giving divine the time, when you are allowing life to speak to you, when you are just sitting in silence, in surrender to divine, and you're waiting the divine power to announce or to give you something which is worth living. So this is the energy for singles. आई थिंक जो भी लोग यहाँ पे इस वीडियो पे आ रहे हैं, जो सिंगल हैं और इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, उन्होंने अपना रिलेशनशिप, फ्यूचर रिलेशनशिप डिवाइन पे छोड़ दिया है, सरेंडर कर दिया है कि हमारा दिमाग दिल नहीं है कि हम एक सही शख्स अपने लिए ढूंढ पाएँ. तो you have surrendered to divine and you're waiting for the right person to enter your life. So this reading is for the people who have surrendered their life to divine. They have their decision to divine कि जो भी सही शख्स आपकी ज़िंदगी में आना चाहिए वो डिवाइन ही आपको दे. तो ये रीडिंग स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए है, उन्हीं से ये रीडिंग रेजोनेट करेगी. फर्स्ट कार्ड इज एट ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, सेकंड कार्ड इज सिक्स ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स, थर्ड कार्ड इज पेज ऑफ वॉन्ड्स. So I am definitely seeing that August will be the month for these healthy developments. वैसे भी अगर आप देखें तो मार्च में शनि का ट्रांजिट हो रहा है. सैटर्न इज ट्रांजिटिंग इट्स हाउस कमिंग along with राहु in Pisces, and राहु will be coming to the sign of Aquarius. Okay, तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो हैं उथल पुथल होंगी. So March, April, May, till 29th of May is not the right time for any kind of relationship. So it's going to be very turmoil, very bad phase, because बहुत सारा राहु शनि का जो कंजंक्शन है उसकी वजह से काफ़ी डिस्टर्बेंस होने वाली है ओवरऑल. तो अगस्त विल बी द राइट मंथ फॉर एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट, दिस इज़ फॉर श्योर. सेकेंड, दिस पर्सन विल एंटर योर लाइफ from somewhere outside, maybe from a new city, maybe from a new place where a travel will be involved. तो जो भी शख्स आपकी ज़िंदगी में आएंगे दे विल बी कमिंग फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट सिटी, अ डिफरेंट प्लेस, जहाँ से ट्रैवलिंग कंपल्सरी होगी, किसी भी तरह का थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस हो सकता है, दैट इज देयर. थर्ड थिंग इज दैट दिस पर्सन विल make you realize that you need to lead your life with freedom and energy. तो ये रियलाइजेशन आपको ये शख्स करवाएंगे जब आपकी ज़िंदगी में आएंगे कि आपके लाइफ में फ्रीडम कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, और आपको एकदम फ्री स्पिरिटेड होकर ही जीना चाहिए. सो दिस पर्सन विल एंटर योर लाइफ बाय ऑगस्ट. He or she will be coming from a new city, new place, and will make you realize that how much freedom is important for any relationship or life as whole, for you and for them. Another card is Knight of Pentacles. Okay, what are the energies for this person who will be coming in my viewer's life by August? Okay, World card. Another card for us. Death card. Okay. So basically what I'm seeing is Knight of Pentacles is a committed relationship. Knight of Pentacles is the card for a commitment, a stability, when somebody is ready to offer you something. So this person, whosoever is coming after August in your life, will be giving you some kind of commitment and eventually become your life, because second card is the World card and the third card is the Death card. So he or she must also be going through a total revival in their life, where something is ending and something new is beginning. So it's about cycle. So a bad cycle is about to end with their movement from one city to another city. They will be entering into a new life by entering a new place, and will be saying tata bye bye to their old life, maybe old relationships or whatever is not serving them. So this person is also going through a very big transformation in their life, who will be coming in your life and make you feel better. And they are also going through an ending. So if you had a breakup, even they might have had a breakup and they wanted to change their life, and that's why they have come into a new place, new life, where they will end their bad cycles and begin a new life with you. So a lot of newness will be there in your life and their life because of this relationship. What will be the personality traits of this person who will be coming in my viewer's life after August, or whenever this person is arriving? Okay. Cards are getting confused, guys, so wait. What will be the personality traits of this person who will be coming? Page of Swords. So this person will show a lot of emotions for you, because King of Cups की energy आई है. तो this person will be very emotional, very lovable, very kind, very nice hearted, because emotions जो King of Cup की energy है वो बहुत caring, बहुत नर्चरिंग, बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दिखाने वाली, इमोशंस दिखाने वाली, रोमांटिक, ऐसी एनर्जी है. देन वी हैव गॉट पेज ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स. ही विल बी टॉकिंग टू यू अबाउट हिज पास्ट, what has happened. So he will be talking to you, communicating to you, and will let you know what has happened and what kind of bridge they have crossed, that what all hardships they have been through to reach you. Okay, so they will be talking about their experiences, they will be sharing their life story with you. So can you see this man holding a book, holding these bulbs on in his hand, crossing a bridge? So they will tell you that they had been through very bad experiences in life, maybe tough cycles, and now they have arrived and they have moved on from their old bad emotional baggage and have come to you for a fresh life. So again we have got the Sun card, which also talks about August month, and Sun card is also of hope, joy, beautiful energy, happiness, joy, hope, everything, light. So they will come out of their darkness into light with you in the month of August. And there will be a lot of pure energy, pure love coming to your life. So, if you are single, had a recent breakup, want to move on, and have surrendered your decision to divine, then by August you are going to have an emotional person entering your life who has also gone through a very bad phase in their life, a bad ending in their life, and they will enter with you into a new life cycle with a lot of joy, pure love, commitment, communication, and they will share their life stories with you. How you will identify, how my collectors will identify this person. Just one more, give me three cards. What will be the indications for my viewers who are single for identifying this person? Okay. Two of Pentacles I have got, then I have got Five of Cups, and then I have got Page of Pentacles. There is a lot of page energy in this. We have got Knight of Pentacles, we have got Page of Swords, we have also got Page of Pentacles. So this person will not be that mature enough, first thing. Second, he or she might seem confused to you. You may feel that they're confused about their life, and they would be a bit sad also. So they would seek comfort in you. They will discuss with you that how much bad time they had, and now they want peace within, and to attain that peace they will come towards you. So they will make you feel comfortable as a family, but this person will be confused a bit and will share their sad stories with you. So maybe this new person will also seek comfort in you, and you might seek comfort in in that person. But there will be some kind of tussle going on in past and future. So there will be a transformation. So it will take some time for you to gain confidence in this person, and for this person to gain confidence in you in relationship. So the energies will be quite sad that the person will be too emotional because of the bad baggage, which bad phase which they have been through. So you need to handle them well. But they will be giving you a sense of stability for sure. So now they have been, can you see, from Page of Pentacle we have come to King of Pentacle. So this person has matured now by going through these hardships, and will give you this committed love. Definitely this person has become wise, or maybe has healed from the past, but they will talk to you about the past, and they would like to stable or have a family with you, or maybe they will share the future plans that now they are ready to get married, and they want a solid commitment where they can see a good family, prosperity, life, togetherness, future commitment, stability, children, happiness, so everything. So they have been through a phase which was bad. They want to come to you with hope of new life. They have ended their bad relationships, they have been through tough cycles, and now they are ready to give you the commitment for marriage, and they will be coming with this solid passion for you. So there will be fire, there will be passion, and I could see that after August, most of the couples who will get their partner in August and who has surrendered their decision to divine, they will be getting married in next 6 months from August. So you can be getting married by February by next year. So I see the solid energy of getting married too. Okay. So this is the energy for the singles, guys. So just relax. Somebody with a lot of commitment, stability, a lot of emotions, true love energy, hope, beginning of new cycles is awaited for you by August. Believe in the impossible. So if you feel that nothing works out for you and you don't get a committed person, maybe you have serious doubts and now you have surrendered to divine. Divine is saying just believe in impossible. A win-win outcome is forecast. So definitely, whatever your situation is, if you're waiting for the right person, this is the year for you, and everything will work out in time for you. So wait till August for this person to come and express their love towards you. They will share their life stories with you and they will show you a lot of love, commitment, and there is a possibility that you may decide to get settled into a married committed relationship within 6 months of their entry into their life, into your life. So God bless you guys, and please like and subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, whosoever you feel wants this video, and stay connected with me. I come live every evening for the free readings for my viewers, and I post one video every day. So thank you guys. Have a great day. This is Abha Mystic 1111 signing off. Thank you.